Hey, what's up YouTube? I wanted to give you guys, this is my desk setup. We're doing this a desk setup tour. I'm using the new Canon EOS 60D, so I thought this was a good chance to hold the Canon and actually review my desk setup. So what we got here, guys, we've got a Western Digital live, not live, pardon me, just a 1 terabyte drive here. I've got that fed off of the Dell. That's the XPS 8500. And I've also got on top of there running some My Passport. That's a 3.0 USB 3.0 drive plugged in there to that. That's what does my backups there. And I've got the 27-inch Thunderbolt from Apple. That's currently connected to my Mac Mini, as you can see here. That's via the Thunderbolt cable. And then I've got, this is the 15-inch MacBook Pro Retina. The Bluetooth keyboard and trackpad, that's synced over there with the Mini Mac. And then I've got my 27-inch Samsung. This is the LED, the piano gloss black. So I run the Windows 8 there, run the Mountain Lion here. This is my Microsoft Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Keep the iPad there, keep a cable usually plugged in there, a lightning cable there. That way you can be, that's always ready to go. Keep the Apple remote there. For my connections, I've got single Ethernet connection there, guys. That's headed over to the Thunderbolt display. Actually, just keep a little switch down here. Little switch down there is actually just powered over to Apple TV, which you guys saw in the other videos. So, you know, thanks for watching there. Please subscribe. But yeah, that was, in a nutshell, guys, that's my desk setup tour. That's the new Mini Mac with the i7, MacBook Pro with Retina, the 27-inch Thunderbolt display. Keep an extra hard drive there. We've got the Dell 8500. That's got a quad-core, 8 gig RAM, 1 terabyte drive, and external graphics with HDMI. And that's how the Samsung is fed here, via HDMI. So, and got the newer iPad with Retina. That was actually a photo taken last night with the Canon outside on the iPad. And I'll tell you, looking at these photos on the iPad from this camera has been amazing with the Retina display. So, like I said, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed my little office desk setup tour. So I plan on doing getting a larger desk. As you can see, I've kind of outgrown my space. So I'll be revamping my setup here shortly. So look for that. Like I said, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.